Hey family, cheers! For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making some refreshing, homemade strawberry raspberry lemonade. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients will be down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. First, wash and clean your strawberries, raspberries, and lemons. We're going to use 2 pounds of strawberries, 1 pound of raspberries, and 6 whole lemons. Now let's turn this baby on and get to juicing. One thing I love about this juicer, it makes juicing extremely easy because you can add a whole lemon or apple into the juicer chute, and when you're all done juicing, it's an easy cleanup. I'm using Curving's Whole Slow Juicer. It's REV0830 is the model number. I'll link this juicer in the description box down below. Plus, I'll be uploading an unboxing video soon of this juicer, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. Let's start juicing our lemons. I'm going to juice about 6 whole lemons. Now, you see how this juicer is just crushing up the lemon and extracting all the juice from it without the seeds? Love it, love it, love it. So we're just going to continue juicing all our lemons until we're done. Now, you see how much lemon juice we're getting from this juicer? It gives you like every single drop. Talk about a bang for your buck. Now let's add in our strawberries and raspberries. Now we're starting to get a beautiful contrast of yellow and red, and guess what? No worries of no yellow 6 and red 40. If you know, you know. Now I'm going to clean up all this pulp before it gets all over my table. I'm going to feed it a little bit more strawberries. All right, so that's the last drop. Now let's pour our juice into a glass pitcher. Then add about 6 cups of icy cold water. I also add about a half a cup to a cup of sugar. It's based on your sweet tooth preference, however much sugar you want. I use probably about 3/4 cup of sugar. And I stir and mix everything all together. Garnish your glass with some lemon slices. Now it's time for a taste test. Now that's delicious. Cheers! I'm going to store the remaining juice in these glass juice bottles I got from Amazon. I'll link these bottles down in the description box as well. You can store these bottles in the refrigerator and travel with them when you're on the go, like we always are. And of course, we're watching Everything's Major videos on TV like you should be doing. Especially this video, especially if you're still thirsty, you're going to love my homemade Crown Royal Peach Hunch Punch. It's made with fresh fruit, simple syrup, and Crown Royal Peach, of course. And you can always eliminate the alcohol to make a virgin hunch punch. As you can see, we have enough juice to last us the entire week and beyond. Next, I'm going to make some strawberry raspberry lemonade ice cubes infused with some rosemary. I'll link this ice tray in the description box as well. Now here's a little sneak peek of a reel I posted using the ice cubes in this Crown Berry Apple Cocktail. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and recipe. This tastes much better made homemade from scratch, and the riper the berries, the sweeter your lemonade's going to be. Even with the added sugar, it is not too sweet at all. or too sour from the lemons. It's a perfect blend and extremely refreshing, especially on these hot days until we get into fall and winter. Make sure to like and subscribe and take a look around my playlist. Take real good care of yourself and each other. God bless you, and I will see you again real soon. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.